Meaning of dirigible.
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 Dirigible. Dirigible refers to an airship that can be steered or navigated, usually through the use of engines and rudders. These types of aircraft were popular during the early 20th century, but have since been largely replaced by other forms of aviation technology. Dirigibles are notable for their size, which can range from relatively small vessels to massive transport crafts capable of carrying hundreds of passengers or tons of cargo. Despite their relatively short period of prominence, dirigibles remain an important part of aviation history and continue to captivate the imagination of many enthusiasts today.